Okay, so coming to in the binary number system, we are having the two symbols. We call this these are the symbols or digits. Binary or base is 2. So symbols are 0 1. Symbols are 0 1. Coming to octal, the symbols are 0 1 2 3 up to 7. So total we are going to have 8 symbols. So the number of symbols or number of digits are equal to the base value. Okay, coming to decimal, we are going to have the base value is 10. So we will have the 10 symbols. Those are 0 1 2 3 and up to 9. Total 10 symbols will be there. Coming to hexadecimal, it is r equals 16. So 16 symbols will be there. Those are 0 1 2 3 and up to 9. After 9, we are going to represent 10 with the A and 11 with the B. That is 10 to 15 will be represented by using the alphabet. So we are calling these are digits. Okay, so that's why we are using only digits, one single digits only, 0 to 9. After that we use alphabets A B C D E F. So A represent the 10 value, B represent the 11, C for 12 value, D 13, E 14 and F 15. And these are all called as digits or symbols. Let me write down. These all are the so these all are called as digits or symbols. Okay, now we can observe here. So what is the range of this binary number system? Total we are having the 0 1. We are having the 0 to 1 or 0 to 1, we can say it is 0 to 2 minus 1. So coming to in the octal number system, we are having how many symbols are there? We are having the 8 symbols. These are 0 1 2 3 up to 7. So the range for in the octal number system is 0 to 7. So I can write 7 as 8 minus 1. Coming to in the decimal number system, the range is 0 to 9. That is 0 to 9. I'm writing 9 as 10 minus 1. And here 0 to 15. So I'm write 0 to 15 as 0 to 16 minus 1. So here the range is 0 to 16 minus 1. So here we can observe what is the range actually in the general format. So for base 2, the range is 0 to 2 minus 1, that is 0 to r minus 1. For octal base 8, it is 0 to n minus 1, that is 0 to r minus 1. In the same manner, in the general format, if I want to give generalized relation here, so you can observe in any number system with base r, the decimal equivalent of symbols are ranging from the 0 to r minus 1. For example, if you are having the not like this 4 standard number system, if you are having the with base 8 base 4. For example, you are having number system base 4. Could anybody tell me what is the range in that base 4 number system? With the base 4 number system, what is the decimal equivalent of range symbols? Range 0 to 3, right? So that's nice. 0 to 3. So that is a general representation. 0 to r minus 1. Okay. Coming to, you can observe one more point here. In any number system with base r, the value r is represented with the 10 r. Let me explain that one. So here observe this second point. In any number system, ns for number system, so you don't write ns in your examination. This I'm writing for time being as shortcut. So you should not write this type of shortcuts in your exam. So in any number system with base r, the value r is represented with 10r. For example, I'm having base r equals to and the value r, that is the base 2 value. The base 2 value will be represented by 10 base 2. Okay, so here in any number system with base r, the value r is represented with the 10r. So here I'm taking base is r equals to example. So 2 can be represented by 10 base 2. You can also verify it. So if I do it weighted values, we have already seen the what is weighted value. To make it into weighted value, so it is 1 into 2 power 1 plus 0 into 2 power 0. That equals to 1 into 2, 0 into 1 is 0. So it is going to be 2. Isn't it? Not is it? Both are same, right? So we can represent the any number system with base r, the value r is represented with 10r. The same way you can also represent a number 4 with 10 base 4. Like that you can represent. That is a general. So you may be asked in the objective type questions.